GPT 5.6 is the greatest AI model that I've ever used. And I think most YouTube creators and creators across the internet talk about benchmarks and just numbers that nobody gives a fuck about. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways to start making money with it today. Let's get right into it. Like, subscribe. Here we go. Method number 1, and I want you to meet somebody. This is Carlos. Now, Carlos runs a mobile pet grooming business called Paws on Wheels, and Carlos is good. Booked solid, washing dogs out of a van from 7 in the morning. But Carlos has a problem, and every business in your town has this exact same problem. The salon, the taco place, the gym, the mechanic. Carlos doesn't have a website. Why is that? Because he doesn't have time. The man is elbow deep in washing dogs all day. And because last time he asked, an agency quoted him thousands of dollars and 3 weeks. So in Carlos's head, a website is expensive and complicated, and maybe someday he'll have one. And someday has been going on for 6 years. Meanwhile, every single day, people in his town are typing dog groomer near me and finding his competition. Carlos is invisible. Now, here's where you come in. Watch what I'm about to do and watch the clock. Build a website for Paws on Wheels, a mobile dog grooming service, warm, friendly design. This is a guy who loves dogs. Services with prices, $45 bath and $75 full groom. Mobile services come to your driveway. Make a big book an appointment form, a photo section from his customers, phone number huge at the top of every page. Carlos's customers are older folks who want to call and not text. Cool. That's the prompt that we give ChatGPT 5.6. All we have to do is give it a prompt and click run, and here's what it gives us. 5 minutes later, it created us this entire website. Notice what I did, guys. I didn't write code. I didn't pick a template. I described Carlos's business like I was telling a friend about it. That is the skill. If you can describe a business in plain English, and obviously you can do this. It's live, a real website, real internet working right now. What Carlos thought cost $3,000 and 3 weeks took me 5 minutes. There's no hosting fees, no code, not someday, but right now. These types of websites you can sell to businesses like Carlos, like dog groomers, like salons, gyms, accountants, dentists, whatever you want. There's thousands of businesses in your specific city that are looking for websites like this. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to contact these people and actually sell it to them. Let's go on to business idea number 2. I want you to meet Maria. Now, Maria owns a little bakery called Sweet Maria's. She's there at 4 in the morning, every morning. The bread people lined up for, that was made with her hands. She's been in the bakery business for 22 years. And Maria knows, she knows that she's supposed to be on social media. Her daughter even tells this when they're relaxing on the couch.
This is how you post a picture.
Every night, she closes the register, sits in her car, opens Instagram, and posts nothing. Because what do you even say? Which photo? How often? She's been on her feet for 14 hours and she's exhausted. So her page has one blurry muffin from 8 months ago, while the chain coffee shop across the street posts every single day. Every business in town has a Maria. Again, the salon, the gym, the dentist, they all know that silence is costing them customers, and they're all too exhausted to fix it. An agency would fix it for $1,000 a month. Maria's never paying that. Here's where you come in. Watch. Okay, chat, I need you to work your magic. Don't let me down. Maria is counting on us. You are the social media manager for Sweet Maria's, a neighborhood bakery run by Maria, who's been baking everything from scratch for 22 years. Create 15 days of content, 1 post per day, captions in Maria's warm, humble voice, an image for every post, and a calendar showing what goes out when. Mix it. Fresh from the oven mornings, behind the scenes at 4 a.m., customer favorites, a Friday special. Add Maria's face in some of the pictures, and some of the pictures only put her baked goods in there. Put baking tips and a couple of fun food holidays. Nothing corporate. Maria talks to customers like neighbors because they are. And then I'm going to say something like this. I'm going to upload a picture of Maria for your reference. Cool. Upload a picture of Maria, and then let's click run. Okay, so as I sit here, ChatGPT is creating in real time these hyper realistic pictures that we can post to Maria's social media. Look at this, guys. It's fantastic. It took a picture of Maria and it's it's putting her in action. She's making croissants here. She's making a large bread bowl right here. But we're 3 pictures deep for, oh, wow, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Who doesn't like, I get so excited I can't speak. Who doesn't like cinnamon rolls like this? This is amazing. Guys, people eat with their eyes first. If somebody sees this on social media, they are calling Maria yesterday and they're ordering 5 pans of these. It's crazy. Anyways, as this is developing pictures here, it's also in the background coming up with the captions for the post. It created us the content calendar here with the date and time, the post, the caption, and the image concept. And of course, we already have the images here, but check this out, guys. It's crazy what's possible with GPT 5.6. Let's check out all the pictures that it created us. So American, so great. She's preparing croissants, 4 in the morning. Bread, oh, sexy cinnamon rolls. What even is that? What is this? It looks so tempting. I don't even know what it is, but I want to eat it. It's crazy. What is this? Cookie on top? It's beautiful. ChatGPT created these images from scratch. Preparing the dough. She's preparing the bread. And she's handing this to a customer. So you can obviously grab pictures from Maria. If you're working with Maria and she sends you pictures of her actual baked goods, you can add that to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will make it look so sexy, as you can see here. Let me show you how to post all of these to her social media. What you're seeing right now on the screen is Metricool, and basically it's a social media platform scheduler. If you're working with Maria, you can connect all of her platforms: X, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, whatever she has, you connect them. And basically what we're seeing here is a full week of content. We can use this for Maria or any business that we're working with. Let me show you how easy it is to post on Metricool. So we click create post. We copy and paste what ChatGPT gave us. These cinnamon rolls come from my grandmother's handwritten recipe. The same ones we'd eat down by the lake every Sunday morning. She never wrote down how much cinnamon because she said your heart measures better than a spoon. That's very cute. I still bake them her way every single morning. We click here, add image. Oh, those cinnamon rolls, so good. We come down here, we schedule, time and date, and then we press schedule. Okay, that took us a few seconds. Then we keep going and we keep posting for the subsequent days that Maria wants us to post on. So I'd say within a half an hour to an hour, we can have an entire month of posts for Maria's bakery. That only took us an hour, and we can charge Maria whatever we want, whatever she thinks this is worth. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you the prices that you can charge, and I'm going to show you how to contact these businesses as well. Method number 3, meet Linda. Linda owns a small clothing boutique called Linda's Closet. 20 years behind that counter. She knows every customer by name, and she has a great eye for clothes, the kind you can't teach. Her problem isn't clothes, though. Her problem is the internet, because when Linda lists a $99 dress online, this is what it looks like. It's a mannequin in a dark room with a dress, and that's it. She took it with her iPhone 6. And you know what the big brands photograph that same dress on? A model in a studio, professional lighting. That photo shoot costs thousands of dollars every single season. Linda can't do that. So her beautiful dress looks like a garage sale listing, sitting right next to competitors whose dress looks like it belongs in a magazine. You know the drill. GPT 5.6 has us covered. Let's turn Linda's photos into professional, high-quality model shoots.
Oh my God, yes. Please.
Okay, let's turn Linda's boring, dull pictures of her clothes into something exciting. Let's put it on a model, or let's put it in like France. Whatever our imagination can come up with, let's help out Linda and her shop. Here we go. Let's go ahead and add a couple of photos that Linda sent us. Okay, we're using these 2 photos as a sample for the demo here. And we're going to say something like this. I need you to create me 6 photos, 3 of each dress here, 3 of the blue dress and 3 of the red dress. I need you to put these on different Italian and French female models in their mid-20s and put them in different locations. Like one is standing in front of the Louvre in Paris. The other one is standing in Milan, Italy. Another one is in Greece. Maybe another one is standing in front of a trendy coffee shop. Make them super hyper realistic, fashionista, and just amazing. All right, we're ready to rock and roll. Let's click run. Okay, what ChatGPT 5.6 created for us is absolutely amazing. Check this out, guys. This is the original dress that Linda took the picture of with her iPhone 6. Here's the other dress. And here's what GPT 5.6 gave us. I cannot believe that this is real. If I never told you that this was AI, when you look at this picture, would you believe that this was made in less than 5 minutes from an AI chatbot? It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy, guys. Check this out. Look, first picture. Second, whoa, look at this. Just beautiful, absolutely beautiful, flawless, perfect, 100% in the zone. Whoa, look at her face. She's gorgeous. And this is absolutely stunning. Every single detail is perfect, down to her toes, all the way up her purse, the dress. Fantastic. Fantastic. Again, this would have costed thousands of dollars to make. These models charge a lot of money. They absolutely deserve it. But with programs like ChatGPT 5.6, long gone are the days that we have to work with these types of models, that we have to work with photographers and studios and lighting and editing and just human problems. Yeah, human problems. Who would have thought? Absolutely crazy, beautiful, stunning, 100. But look at the hair. Look at the hair. How it's a little messed up. It's blowing in the wind. It's not perfect. Look at the hair on her arms, guys. Look at this. It's absolutely flawless. So perfect. Now, when Linda opens her Etsy store, she can finally be proud of the products that she has online. She doesn't have the time to take pictures. She doesn't know anything about phones. She doesn't know anything about cameras. She wants to focus on her clothing business and have other people do the modeling for her, have other people design these types of pictures for her. She finally got her life back and she's happy. Let's talk about the most important part of this video, which is actually contacting and getting your first customers. What good is actually having this type of business model if we can't get in contact with customers and let them know about our specific services? Now, chances are your town or your city has many of these local business owners. There's Linda's, there's Carlos, there's Maria's, just looking for help with their social media, with their websites, with their fashion, with their pictures. The reason why these customers are a great business model is because all of them are busy and they're super stressed. They just want to focus on their business. They don't want to learn about AI tools. They don't want to pay website developers thousands of dollars. They don't have the money to pay models and photographers and studios thousands of dollars. So looking for something simple, something automatic, something that can be done in less than a day for way less than traditional businesses charge for websites or for photography or for whatever the case may be. They're looking for something simple, just like everybody is. People want things to be done for them automatically, especially if they're a local business owner. Now, let me answer this question first before we get into the places to reach these businesses. A lot of people always ask me in my comment section, well, if it's so easy to do with GPT or with Nano Banana or Google VEO3 or whatever the case may be, if AI is so easy and anybody can do it, what makes you think that these business owners are going to pay for my services? And that's a fantastic question. And the answer is this. Most of these business owners work full-time jobs. They work 14, 16 hours a day. Their business is their baby. They don't have time to learn about AI. They don't have time to learn about GPT 5.6. They don't have time to learn about Nano Banana or any of these programs. They're not in the AI world like you are. They're not actively searching and trying to learn about AI tools like you are. AI isn't even there. I just get so excited I can't speak. It isn't. What am I trying to say here? What am I trying to say? It isn't even in their algorithm. There it is. I got it out. It's not in their algorithm, guys. The algorithm of Maria on Facebook is bakery. It's clothing. It's family photos. The algorithm of Carlos is dog washing. It's maybe the Argentina football team. Same thing with Linda. AI is not in their dimension. It's not in their algorithm. They don't want to learn. They're super stressed and super busy to do the jobs themselves. All they want to do is focus on their clothing store, their dog washing business, their bakery business, and that's it. Here's where you come in. Facebook groups is one of the most powerful ways to contact these businesses because most local businesses are on Facebook groups. There are tons of Facebook groups about clothing, even mobile dog washing, and bakeries and local restaurants and businesses. The key to Facebook groups is if you find a Facebook group, it doesn't have to be in your specific area. If you find a Facebook group and you want to join, you never immediately sell when you get inside the group because people can smell a salesperson from a mile away, and nobody likes a pushy salesperson. Nobody likes somebody who drops their business and says, buy from me, buy now, here's the offer. Nobody likes that. The key to Facebook groups is entering in the groups and giving massive amounts of value. For example, if you enter into a clothing store business Facebook group, you want to drop some pictures and be like, hey, this is what I did for a business, or check out what I did. I put these regular iPhone photos. I took the photos and I transformed them and I put these dresses onto Italian models. Whatever the case may be, always lead with value first. People will contact you via DMs. That's the power of this. It feels like magic. And 99% of the world doesn't know that ChatGPT 5.6 exists, or that Nano Banana exists, or that you can actually put clothing on models in less than 5 minutes. This is the power of the early mover advantage. If you're watching this video, you're early. You know that this technology exists. You know that you can work with local businesses. But this window won't stay open forever. Eventually, within a year, within 2 years, businesses are going to catch on. They're going to learn about these tools and they're going to be doing it themselves. But right now, when this technology is brand new, you can start a complete business with this. So Facebook groups, lead with value, maybe contact people through DM or have people DM you, and they will DM you. The same thing with Instagram DMs, but Facebook is probably more powerful than Instagram. Google Maps. Here's another strong one. In your area, search your maps for, let's say, dog washing or clothing boutiques or salons or gyms. You can call them, you can send them an email, you can even walk into the business. This is my favorite way of getting business, is walking right in, because when you look somebody in their eyes and you say, this is what I could do for you. I can create you hyper-realistic clothing photos with models from France, and it's just whatever the case may be. Business owners are more likely to say yes when they're staring right at you. Same thing applies to WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is a sleeping giant that I think more people should take advantage of. Now, there's all of these options here: Facebook groups, Instagram DMs, Google Maps, WhatsApp, and the all famous walk right into the store. You can implement any of these. You can even implement cold email. But in my opinion, the strongest one for complete beginners is Facebook groups and walking into the business. And I know a lot of people are introverts like myself. They don't want to walk into the business, but that's how you close the most amount of people. Walking into the business is the fastest way to close a deal. But if you don't want to do that, you can always go to Facebook groups, reach out to friends and family. I'm sure you guys know business owners in your area. Reach out to them, etc., etc. But this business model is super, super powerful. And the key to this is volume. If you reach out to 50 businesses via email and none of them answer, don't get discouraged. You just have to keep going, guys. Remember, behind that first customer that you get is an entire full-time business. Because if you give massive amounts of value to, let's say, Linda is going to refer you to her friends, to her business owner buddies. Same thing with Carlos. They run in groups. They're in Facebook groups. They have a social network of other business people. The best marketing, in my opinion, is word of mouth, because the trust barrier is already gone. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my style of teaching and you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, be sure to sign up to my free newsletter. It's one of the fastest growing AI income newsletters in the world, and it'll help you make money with AI in a simple, step-by-step fashion. One newsletter sent out per week, super easy for non-technical people. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.